The first thing I use to do my eyebrows is this from the Brow Gel, because I'm gonna outline my eyebrow. Before I outline my eyebrow, I'm gonna grab a spoolie and brush my eyebrow hairs to their natural direction. So with the pencil, I'm just gonna go and outline and give it a shape. Once I kind of have the shape I want, I'm gonna grab my Anastasia Dipbrow in shade Granite. I'm gonna use my Morphe R44 to shade it and make it better. So I'm gonna grab some of it here, just dab it in, not too harsh. And on my cap, I have this mark right here. I'm just gonna go and take up some excess, gonna fill it in. On the front part right here, what I like to do is I like to grab my brush and go like this. Once you have that, I'm gonna grab my spoolie and brush my hair. Gentle, not too harsh because you don't want to take most product off, but gentle. Okay, I'm gonna grab some more product and gonna fill it in where I still see some bald spots. They're not equal because this eyebrow right here, like my hairs are shorter, but I just learned to go on. I'm just gonna draw some right here. It's not as obvious as it was before. My favorite concealer is this by NYX, called Above and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer in shade CJ04. So it looks very close to my skin tone. And Morphe M165, which is this. It's this brush right here. It's an angle brush. And what I do is I grab product, I go in the brush, and I go like this, just on one side. You can see I get some product here. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna like put it straight to where my eyebrow is and just go along. To make sure my eyebrows are straight, what I do is I connect the line right here, and I always go concealer down. I grab my brush and I just simply straight up go like this. just with my fingers to blend out this. I just go. Then I'm back with a spoolie and I'm just simply brush like this. We have those for our eyebrows. I'm gonna grab this by the brow gel again. It's a clear, no it's not clear. It's an Instant Brown Hair 02. And I'm just going to put this all over my eyebrows. This will make sure your eyebrows don't move and they stay in place. So this is a completed look for my eyebrows. The look right here, I just recorded it, so it's gonna be after this video, but I hope you like this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, thumbs up, and subscribe.